What if your industry, your business model, and even your operations were transformed overnight by artificial general intelligence, or AGI? Sounds impossible, right? Well, the age of AGI is almost here, and it will be rewriting the rules of the economy. In today's video, we'll explore post-labor economics and show you how to thrive in a world where automation and AI do the heavy lifting. Are you ready? AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, refers to highly advanced AI systems capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can. Unlike narrow AI, which is specialized for specific tasks, AGI operates with general intelligence and adaptability. Post-labor economics is a series of ideas exploring how the economy might work after AGI disrupts labor markets. We will explore how businesses and economies need to adapt their strategies and operations to leverage these advancements effectively. This isn't science fiction. With AI emerging, traditional work is being replaced by automation faster than ever. AGI is not just about replacing jobs, it's about redefining what's possible. Imagine this: AI diagnosing diseases better than doctors, robots revolutionizing factories and logistics, autonomous systems making complex decisions in milliseconds. We're transitioning from a labor-based economy to one driven by data, automation, and decentralized systems. Consider AI writing legal contracts with higher accuracy and faster turnaround than human lawyers. Or an AI doing weeks or months of 10 junior lawyers' research work in just minutes. AI financial advisors providing personalized investment and risk strategies for businesses in real time. AI-powered marketing tools creating ad campaigns tailored to specific demographics, outperforming traditional methods. Or AI in education, designing custom curriculums for professional development, tailored to specific industries. Or AI in education, designing custom curriculums for professional development, tailored to specific industries. These advancements aren't just incremental, they're transformative, redefining industries and setting new standards for productivity and innovation. For example, in healthcare, AI systems are managing entire patient care pathways from diagnosis to treatment. In retail, AI-enabled inventory management is creating zero-waste models. And in manufacturing, local on-demand production powered by AI-driven 3D printing is becoming a reality. What industry do you think AGI will disrupt the most? Drop your predictions in the comments below. While AGI opens up remarkable possibilities, it also presents serious challenges that businesses need to address now. What happens when tens or hundreds of millions of people lose their jobs? If people don't earn wages, how do they spend? How will economies be supported? How do we ensure this future benefits everyone? And let's not forget global disparities. While wealthy nations might lead us the way in adopting AGI, how do developing countries avoid being left behind? Or the sustainability question: how do businesses and governments balance short-term disruption with long-term benefits? These are hard questions, but they're not impossible to answer. Take a moment to reflect on what solutions might work for your industry. So, what solutions can we look to? Universal Basic Income, UBI, is often discussed as a solution, but it's far from certain. Rich countries still struggle to fund it, and for developing nations, it's an even greater challenge. Instead of relying solely on UBI, businesses and governments can explore hybrid solutions that blend private sector innovation with public policy. Check out our video on Universal Basic Income for more info on that. Profit-sharing models or employee ownership programs could ensure more people benefit directly from AI-driven productivity gains. Imagine businesses contributing a percentage of their AI-generated profits to local development projects or training programs. Universal skill development funds could use AI-driven initiatives to upskill displaced workers and entrepreneurs. Blockchain and tokenized assets offer a modern alternative to traditional shares, focusing on accessibility and inclusivity. For instance, a manufacturing company could tokenize its AI-driven factory, allowing investors, including employees and local communities, to own fractional shares. Unlike traditional stocks, tokenized assets enable fractional ownership, global accessibility, and automated profit sharing through smart contracts. However, businesses need clear frameworks to avoid speculative bubbles and ensure transparency. Also, government regulations will need to catch up to enable these new models. Developing economies can leapfrog traditional industrial stages by adopting AGI for localized solutions like AI-powered farming or decentralized energy grids. Partnerships between global tech leaders and local businesses can drive innovation while addressing global disparities. Consider cross-industry collaborations where AGI expertise in one sector fuels innovation in another. Businesses that invest in such adaptive practices will not only mitigate risks, but lead in shaping the next global economic model. Now, let's explore how your business can prepare for this new era of AGI. Conduct an AI readiness audit. Evaluate your current operations to identify processes that can benefit most from AI integration. Adopt AI tools now. Start with platforms like ChatGPT for customer engagement, Midjourney for creative campaigns, and AI-driven analytics to optimize your operations. Streamline operations by identifying repetitive tasks in your business that can be automated to free up your team for strategic initiatives. Develop an AI-driven innovation strategy to stay ahead by exploring emerging technologies that can give your business a competitive edge. Collaborate with AI experts. Partner with consultants or in-house expertise to tailor AI solutions to your specific industry needs. Educate your team by offering training programs to help employees transition into roles that complement AI rather than competing with it. Invest in future-proof industries. Consider partnerships or investments in areas poised to thrive, such as robotics, renewable energy, and decentralized systems. Build an AI ethics framework to ensure responsible use of AI in your operations, fostering trust among your customers and stakeholders. Businesses that adapt quickly to these technologies will lead the market, not follow it. As we conclude, remember that post-labor economics isn't just about redefining work, it's about unlocking unprecedented opportunities for businesses. This transformation is not a distant future. It's happening now, and businesses have the power to shape it. AGI is coming fast, and businesses that act now will secure a first-mover advantage. Those who don't will be left behind. The age of AGI is not just a challenge, it's a call to innovate, adapt, and lead. By embracing these strategies, your business can not only survive, but thrive in a world transformed by AGI. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.